This is my Shark AI robot, and the first floor is starting to stink every time it runs. Here's the problem. So on the right side is just the regular dustbin that you empty, but on the left side is the filter. A lot of people forget about this. Okay, mine's actually pretty clean, but I've seen this thing fill completely. See all that dust and dog dander and dry skin and pollen? That's what's stinking up your house every time this thing empties the Shark vacuum. So what you want to do is take it over to your sink. Don't just spray it off with a sprayer or you'll get a cloud of crap in your face. You're going to want to soak it first and then squeeze it out in the sink. If you do that, you won't get contamination all over your kitchen. So there are a couple of pieces. There's that rough filter that I'm washing now. That goes right above the fan at the very bottom, and that protects your fan motor from getting contaminated. Then there's the metal bracket, and then this sponge filter. This is actually pretty durable, so I'm pretty happy with the AI robot vacuum, but you can replace these. I'll put a link in the description if yours is in such bad shape that you want to replace it. But if you squeeze it a few times in soapy water and then rinse it off, look at how clean that gets. Set it aside, rinse off the little bracket that it goes on, set that aside too, and then take that final coarse filter that goes on the very bottom. Rinse that off a few times, give it a good squeeze, and then you can let that dry with everything else. Okay, that's part one. Now, if you really want to clean the system, or before we get there, look at that. I'm dumping the water out. Look at how dirty that is. That is pretty nasty. All right, let's let that dry. Now I'm going to go over to the vacuum itself, and I'm going to clean that whole left compartment with Windex. I like to use Windex because it leaves no residue. So there I am wiping down the cap. Look at how dirty that gets. So just keep on using a few pieces of paper towel. Now I'm just going to wipe down the walls of that whole compartment on the left side, and I want to just get it really clean. It's the smell is what's coming from that part of the vacuum system. So let's get that nice and clean. Once you're happy with it, then you're pretty much ready to reassemble it. So once your filters are dry, put the flat one in first at the very bottom, and then take the filter foam pad, put it back together with the bracket, and then slide it down and make sure it's nice and centered. Once you do that, your system will no longer smell once your system is running, and your vacuum can be put back together. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.